Folks were asking what I was doing. What I was doing was taking the sound waves and putting them through a chip, an Arduino chip, and it has enough power to do the entire Fourier transform and take apart frequencies. So now, with a simple switch, we go from seeing the wave to seeing the separate frequencies that make it up. So now, and you can even tell the difference between different vowels, like ooh, I am. They all sound different because they have different high frequencies, and this takes them back apart. Switching back to the picture of the wave itself, you can see what it looks like. Ooh, yeah, oh. And the cool thing is the chip is listening the whole time, so it's smart enough to know when to sweep the laser on which way the wave's going.